Situational English. Making suggestions. Pre-intermediate level. You are talking to someone. You want to make a suggestion. What do you say? How about going to the movies tonight? Why don't we try that new restaurant downtown? Let's go for a walk in the park. We could go to the beach this weekend. Have you considered taking a cooking class? You might want to check out the local market. Maybe we could go to a concert? It might be a good idea to explore the city on a bike. We should book our flight tickets in advance. It might be fun to try indoor rock climbing.